I welcome you all to the BSc first semester basic English class. This class is about articles and this is session number 1. In today's class, we shall learn about definition and types of articles. Learning objectives for this class are to understand the use of articles. Session outcomes of this class are to make you understand the use of articles properly. First of all, we shall see the definition of articles. So, articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. There are two types. Articles are types of determiners. There are two types of articles in English. One is definite articles and second one is indefinite articles. Now, types of articles. So, as you all know, there are two types of articles in English. The first one is definite article. So, in English, we have only one definite article and it is the. So, the is the only definite article used in English. The second type of articles is indefinite articles. A and an are the two indefinite articles used in English. So, in all, we have three articles in English. These three articles have been grouped as definite articles and indefinite articles. The is the only one definite article and a and an are the two indefinite articles. So now we shall see what is definite article. So the is known as a definite article. This definite article is used to denote a specific person, place or a thing. Means whenever we want to speak about some particular person, place or a thing, we use the article the. This article, that is the, can be used with both the countable as well as uncountable nouns. Then we shall see indefinite articles. So in English we have two indefinite articles and they are a and an. Now indefinite articles are used to denote non-specific or general person, place or thing. It means when we speak about any person, any place or anything which is not particular, we use article a or an. Now one more thing, article a and an can be used only with countable nouns, where we use the with uncountable and countable nouns. So the choice between a and an depends upon the initial sound of the noun that follows. It means whether we use a or an depends upon the initial sound of the noun that follows. Now use of article a. So article a is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. Means if a noun begins with a consonant sound, then it is preceded by article a. For example, a ball. So in this example, ball is a singular countable noun and it begins with a consonant sound, that is b sound. That is why it is preceded by the article a. Now a girl. So girl is again singular countable noun which begins with the consonant sound g. That is why it is a girl. Then a building. So building is a singular countable noun and it begins with the b sound. Next example is a university. So here university is a singular countable noun. It begins with a vowel, that is U, but the sound is that of a consonant, because when we pronounce this word we start it with like university. So Y is the initial sound, that is why it is a university. A young person, again we have got Y sound. A kingdom, here we have got K sound, and that is why all these nouns are preceded by the article a. Then use of indefinite article an. So article an is also used before singular countable nouns, but this article an is used before a vowel sound. For example, an umbrella. So in this example, umbrella is a singular countable noun and it begins with the sound a. The letter is U but the sound is a, that is why it is an umbrella. An egg, here also the letter is E but the sound is A, which is a vowel, that is why it is an egg. The next example is an MA in English. So here the letter is M but the sound is A, MA, that is why it is an MA. Similarly, an angle, an onion, an engineer, an injection, an umpire. So all these nouns have vowel sounds in the beginning, and that is why they are preceded by the article an. So let us have a recap of this session. So we have learned in this session that we use articles to specify particular and non-particular things. Then there are two types of articles in English. They are definite articles, that is the, and indefinite articles a and an. The is used to denote specific things. A and an are used to denote non-specific things. The use of a and an depends upon the initial sound of the noun. Now let us have some questions. So how many articles are there in English? Obviously the answer is 3 articles. Which is the only definite article in English? That is the. Which are the indefinite articles used in English? That is a and an. My brother is dash dash MLA. So here the answer is an MLA because the initial sound is that of a vowel sound. And the last question is, yesterday I saw dash dash girl at the bus stop. The answer is a girl because we are speaking about some non-specific girl. So in this way, in the today's class, we have discussed what is an article and what are the two types of articles and how they are used generally. Thank you.